Hi, this is Rich Sparks, and welcome to 25144 Leach in Roseville, Michigan, north of 10 Mile. This little house has a lot of bang for the buck. One of the best things is it's clean, it's move-in ready. But one of my favorite things is it has a brand new roof, newer windows, which means your investment is going to be protected and it's going to save you tens of thousands of dollars down the road. Now, let's check this house out. Notice the beautiful wood floors. And listen, if you're interested in this home, give us a call right away. In this market, you cannot wait. If you're not pre-approved, we will help you get pre-approved first. All the appliances are included, including the washer and dryer. You cannot buy a house for $110,000 and it's going to be cheaper than rent. It's clean and it's yours. You get to do with it what you want. Hey, when you're visiting, don't mess with the pets, please. But throughout the whole home, it's very, very clean. Nice size master bedroom. You have sides on both sides of the bed, which that's one of my favorite things. I hate climbing over or being climbed over when I'm trying to sleep. Now the basement is finished. It's going to give you a lot of extra living space. So if you need a secondary family room or a guest room or something, you could easily do this here. The garage is huge. It's really deep. I believe it was 27 feet deep or something like that. So it's really nice size garage. So you're going to have a lot of extra storage there. You have a quiet backyard. There's that new dimensional roof I was talking about. But imagine yourself sitting out here in the morning, enjoying the flowers and just having a cup of coffee and just relaxing a little. You're going to be able to do that here. So don't wait. Give us a call today before it's too late.